everyone, we're going to express x as n. So this x right here. We have 2 times x times 32 times dot 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 times 2 to the power of 2n plus 1 equals 2 to the power of x. All right, let's rewrite this first and write this as 2 times 2 cubed. I'm trying to get the same base. Times 2 to the power of 5 times dot 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 times 2 to the power of 2n plus 1 equals 2 to the power of x. All right, and that would mean that since this is our 2 to the power of 2n plus 1, we're really starting with a sub 0, then a sub 1. So if you substitute it in, you'll get that. That's just a side note. So basically, since we have the same base now, we can write this as 2 to the power of, using your properties of exponents, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus dot 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 plus 2n plus 1 equals 2 to the power of x. That means our x equals this. So we're going to write x equals 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus dot 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 plus 2n plus 1. All right, since we have that, let's look and see what we have. Our first term is 1, and then our common difference is 2, because we keep adding 2 here. All right, so looking at our formula, a sub n equals your first term plus n minus 1 times d, we get a sub n is going to equal 1 plus n minus 1 times 2, using this. And that's going to give me 2n minus 1. So a sub n is 2n minus 1. A sub n plus 1, therefore, would be 2 times n plus 1 minus 1, which gives you 2n plus 1. So we need this, and then we'll solve for x. We're going to use this formula here. So we're going to have, we know that a sub n plus 1 equals 2n plus 1. So therefore, x equals, using this formula, your n, this is your n, so that's going to be n plus 1, and then we're going to do our first term, which was 1, plus your last term, and your last term is 2n plus 1, all divided by 2. All right, let's simplify all this. So we get n plus 1. This is going to be 2n plus 2, all divided by 2. All right, and if you simplify all this, you're going to get 2n squared plus 2n plus 2n plus 2. All divided by 2, or you could have divided first by 2. So you can get n squared plus n plus 1. So this gives you n squared plus 2n plus 1. So your x actually equals, if you simplify this, it's going to be n, I was going to write an x, n plus 1 squared. Or you can write it this way as well, x. This is a better way. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.